Welcome. Today, we are diving into the world of chatbot development. We will explore how to build conversational AI systems, moving from basic scripts to advanced generative models that power the assistants we use every day. First, let us define our subject. A chatbot is simply software that simulates human conversation. It acts as a bridge, an interface that allows users to interact with machine systems using natural language, whether typed or spoken. Chatbots have come a long way. Early versions were rule-based, relying on rigid scripts and decision trees. If you said something unexpected, they would fail. Today, we use AI and generative models that learn from vast amounts of data, allowing them to understand context and generate dynamic, flexible responses. There are three main pillars to this technology. First is natural language understanding, or NLU, which figures out what the user means. Second is dialogue management, the brain that decides the next step. Finally, natural language generation, or NLG, creates the human-like response you see on the screen. The game changed with the arrival of large language models, or LLMs. These models are trained on the entire internet, giving them incredible creative capabilities. They can write code, summarize articles, and maintain context over long conversations, far surpassing the capabilities of older systems. Building a chatbot isn't just about code. It is about design. You must define a persona. Is your bot serious or funny? You also need to map out user intent, anticipating what people want, and set guardrails to keep the conversation safe and on track. Modern development relies on a robust tech stack. Python is the primary language, used alongside frameworks like LangChain to connect everything. We use powerful APIs from OpenAI or Anthropic for intelligence, and vector databases to give our bots long-term memory. It is not all smooth sailing. Developers face challenges like hallucinations, where the AI confidently makes up facts. There are also limits to how much conversation history a model can remember, and we must constantly work to ensure safety and prevent biased outputs. Looking ahead, the future is multimodal. Chatbots will see and hear, not just read text. They are evolving into agents that can take actions for you, like booking appointments, and they will become hyper-personalized, remembering your preferences for years. To wrap up, we have seen how chatbots evolved from scripts to AI. We discussed the power of LLMs, the importance of design and safety, and the exciting future of autonomous agents. Now, you have the foundational knowledge to start building your own.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.